Hello and welcome to a new video. Today we are going to dive right into the heart of advanced analytics and how you can use these techniques to improve maintenance in your company. Advanced analytics goes far beyond simple reporting. It allows you to anticipate problems, optimize processes, and make data-driven decisions. If you're ready to take your analytics skills to the next level, stay with me. Let's explore the most important techniques that are revolutionizing industrial maintenance. Let's get started. First, let's briefly recap what we mean by advanced analytics. Unlike traditional analytics, which merely describes what has happened, advanced analytics focuses on predicting what will happen and recommending what actions to take. This is key to the implementation of predictive and prescriptive maintenance. Today we will focus on some of the most powerful techniques within predictive and prescriptive analytics, which allow you to anticipate problems and optimize decision-making. One of the most widely used techniques in advanced analytics is regression. In simple terms, regression allows us to identify and quantify relationships between different variables. For example, you can use it to predict when a machine might fail based on temperature, operating hours, or vibration. Imagine you have sensors installed in your equipment that constantly measure temperature and vibration. With regression, you can create a model that tells you how likely it is that a piece of equipment will fail if certain critical levels of these variables are reached. This allows you to plan interventions before a failure occurs, reducing downtime and optimizing your resources. Another key technique is anomaly detection. This method is used to identify unusual patterns or deviations in data that may indicate potential problems. In predictive maintenance, anomalies can be early signs of equipment failures that have not yet been detected. With machine learning, systems can learn what is normal in the operation of your equipment and alert you when something is out of the ordinary, allowing you to intervene before a failure occurs. This technique is especially useful for detecting problems that would not be visible to the naked eye or with conventional monitoring. Time series analysis is a powerful technique for analyzing data that changes over time, such as the temperature, pressure, or vibration records of your equipment. This type of analysis is key to predictive maintenance, as it allows you to identify trends over time and predict when equipment might fail based on past behavior. Imagine you have vibration data for the last 6 months for a specific machine. With time series analysis, you can see how vibrations have been slowly increasing over time and predict when they will reach a critical level that could cause a breakdown. This gives you a window of time to plan maintenance before it is too late. An advanced technique that is also widely used in predictive analytics is equipment classification and segmentation. Instead of treating all equipment equally, you can classify it according to its criticality, operating conditions, and historical behavior. This helps you prioritize resources and focus on equipment that is more likely to fail. For example, you could classify equipment into categories such as low risk, moderate risk, and high risk, based on operational data and maintenance history. This allows you to focus maintenance efforts where it really matters, optimizing the use of resources and improving operational efficiency. Let's look at a case study of how these advanced analytics techniques have been used in industry. A manufacturing company used regression and time series analysis to predict failures on their automated production line. As a result, they were able to reduce unplanned downtime by 25%, resulting in significant cost savings and increased operational efficiency. This is just one example of how advanced analytics can transform your industrial maintenance, enabling you to make more informed decisions and optimize the performance of your equipment. As you have seen, advanced analytics techniques are powerful tools that can take your business maintenance to the next level. If you would like to learn more about how to implement these techniques in your company, connect with me on LinkedIn. I'd be happy to help you optimize the maintenance of your equipment and improve operational efficiency in your business. Thank you for joining me for this session on advanced analytics techniques. In the next session, we'll dive deeper into predictive analytics and how you can use it to anticipate problems and plan maintenance more efficiently. See you in the next video.